Good morning from Greece. Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna show you my favorite breakfasts. There are three. They're very easy to make, only with 3 or 4 ingredients. They are what I eat every day. They're healthy. So let's get to it. For the first breakfast, we're going to need chocolate chips, fruits of your choice. As you can see here, I chose my favorite, strawberries and blueberries, a tortilla chip, and of course some peanut butter. I chose a Greek one from Creta. We put the peanut butter on the tortilla and spread it. We add the fruit and then the chocolate chips. And our first breakfast is ready. For the second one, we're going to need yogurt, milk, some cereal, and of course fruit. I chose bananas and blueberries. We add the yogurt and some milk to make it a little bit creamier in a bowl. Then add the cereal inside. As you can see, I try to make them also look good. And of course the fruit. Look how nice it is. Ready to eat it. And for the last one, we're going to need a toast, fruit. I chose bananas and strawberries, and of course honey. We toast the bread. We add the fruit, again in a nice way, as you can see. I want to feel like I'm eating outside of the house in a cafeteria, so I try to make them presentable at home also. And in the end, we add the honey. So here you are. These were my favorite breakfasts. As you have seen, I like sweet breakfasts. My first meal, I always wanted to be sweet. To get the day started, like have a good day. I hope you have enjoyed them. And tell me in the comments below which one you like the best. See you in the next video. Bye.